Now paper number 65, Cgl Tier 1. Now in this question number 1, now ZVR. Now it is based on letter series Z and V. What is the difference we have? Minus 4. V and R minus 4. R minus 4, 18 minus 4, 14. 14 the letter is N. Among the given choices, N has the first letter only in choice for question number 1. Then coming to question number 2, and 351 and 468. Then tell me what is the difference between these two numbers. My difference is low. Now the difference is 117. Then how do you get 117 with the help of 351? Now 351 divided by 3 is so much? 117. Hence the first number divided by 3 and is again added to this one, you will get 468. And in the same way 366 divided by 3. 1, 2, 3. Now when added to this one 1, 2, 2, again the sum is 488. Then coming to the third one, 294. 9 plus 4, 13 plus 2, 15. Now 1/3 divided by then if you divide this one, 90, 98. Now if you add these two, are you getting 294 here? No. Hence choice 3 is the odd one. Again 411. 411 divided by 3. And 13 and 137. And 411 plus 137, that is 548. And except choice 3. And in the remaining terms, first number divided by 3, when added to that number, gives you the second number. Then, and this happens in all the 3 choices except in choice 3. Hence the third one is the odd one. Then coming to question number 3. Now in this third one, which 2 symbols we need to interchange? Then plus and into. Now if you interchange these two, plus and into, 532 and 276 divided by 12. Now 276 divided by 12, 12 2 is 24 and 36 means 12 3s. Then 532 minus 23, the next one into 18. Into 18 plus 15. Now plus 15 plus and into must be interchanged or not? Interchange. Then if plus and into are interchanged here, now your 532 minus, and what is the difference? And 276 divided by 12, how much is that? 23. And 23 plus 18 into 15. Now 18 into 15, 270. And 270 plus this one. Are you getting the answer or not? And so that is 779. Then sum of these two minus 23. Clear? Then question number 4. Now in this question number 4, there are some 7 friends seated around a circular table facing towards the center. All these 7 persons are facing towards the center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then A is sitting to the immediate right of E. If E is here, A is to the immediate right of E. And next one, B is not an immediate neighbor of E. Now B is not an immediate neighbor of E, B cannot be here. And D is sitting third to the left of E. 1, 2, 3, D is sitting third to the left of A. And next one, F is sitting in between G and E. F is in between G and E, F is here, G is here. As B cannot be at this place, B is here. Then C would be here. Then who is sitting to the immediate right of A? That is B, choice 2, question number 4. Then coming to question number 5. Now in this one, now we need to find out the order in which they appear in a dictionary. Among dictionary order which comes first here, and A, and correct order of the given words as they would appear. Now AU. Now in this AU, TOG, answer 2 comes first. And after this 2, next one is what? 4. Now 2, 4, 6. Now 2, 4, 6. Then next one is what? 5. Now 2, 4, 6, 5. And 3 and 1. What is the order we have? Choice 3, 2, 4, 6, 5, 3, 1. Then coming to question number 6. In an examination, now 67% of the candidates failed in the psychology and 39 anthropology. Now here we are drawing the diagram for what? Diagram for failed candidates, isn't it? Or my question then who passed in both the subjects? Both man radama. Then if 67 failed in psychology, how many students passed in psychology? 33. And 33 passed in psychology. And at the same time, and what is the other one? Now 39 failed in anthropology. If 39 failed in anthropology, the remaining 61 passed in anthropology. And next one, 17% failed in these two, isn't it? Then what about this 17? 17 students failed in both these two. Now 17 students failed in these two, 17 is here. Then in this case, Then now we need to find out both. Both కావాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి చెప్పండి? And this will be 33 minus x. And this is 61 minus x. Total must be equals to 100. Isn't it? That is 33 minus x plus x. That is 33 plus 61 minus x equals to how much? My ఎంతకి ఈక్వల్ అవ్వాలి? Except 17 కదా. And except 17, what is the total number we have? 83. Total must be equals to 83. Then 33 plus 61, how much is that? 94. And x equals to how much? 11%. Now x is 11%, that is choice 3. Done with this? Now there are 2 to 3 different ways of working out this one. Elagana chesukochu man. Then coming to question number 7. Now in this question number 7, now we need to find out m is the niece of q. M is the niece of q. మా బ్లడ్ రిలేషన్ నుంచి ఎక్కువగా 70 to 80% కేసెస్ విల్ గెట్ ఓన్లీ దిస్ క్వశ్చన్. ఇదే వస్తుంది, రెగ్యులర్గా వస్తుంది. ఈవెన్ ఇన్ టైప్ 2 యాజ్ వెల్ మీకు ఇదే వచ్చింది. నా ఎర్లియర్ 2021-22 అంతవరకు ముందైతే పాయింటింగ్ టువర్డ్స్ ఫోటోగ్రాఫ్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్స్. కానీ ఈ మధ్యకాలంలో అయితే రెగ్యులర్గా ఓన్లీ కోడింగ్ బ్లడ్ రిలేషనే వస్తుంది మనకి. దెన్ అండ్ విచ్ ఆర్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ మీన్స్ ఎమ్ ఈజ్ ద నీస్ ఆఫ్ క్యూ అన్నాం. ఎమ్ ఈజ్ ద నీస్ ఆఫ్ క్యూ ఒక్కసారి చూడండి. M is the niece of Q. Simple answer. M is the niece of Q. What is your answer here? Second option. Now second option ఇక్కడ మనకి K to Q మాట్లాడుతున్నాడు కదా అన్ని దగ్గర. ఫస్ట్ ఎలిమెంట్ టు ద సెకండ్ ఎలిమెంట్. దెన్ ఇక్కడ చూడండి M ఇందులో లాస్ట్లో ఉంది. M లాస్ట్లో ఉందంటే మీనింగ్ ఏంటి చెప్పండి? అమ్మ N యొక్క రిలేషన్ తెలుస్తుంది కానీ M మేలా ఫీమేలా తెలియదు, జెండర్ తెలియదు. హెన్స్ దీస్ టూ చాయిసెస్ స్ట్రైట్ అవే రూల్డ్ అవుట్. ఫాలో అవుతున్న రేరెస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద రేర్ కేటగిరీ ఈ టైప్ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్స్లో ప్రతిసారి మనం చాయిసెస్ నుంచి వెళ్ళవలసిందే, అవునా కదా? అందుకే ఏంటంటే ఇక్కడ ఎమ్ లాస్ట్ ఉంది కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ ఎమ్ గురించి అడుగుతున్నాడు. మా చాయిస్ 1 చూడండి, N#M అంటే ఏమొస్తుంది? N ఈజ్ ద సిస్టర్ ఆఫ్ M వస్తుంది. మరి M బ్రదర్ ఆఫ్ సిస్టర్ మనకు తెలియదు. అండ్ ఇక్కడ చూడండి Q పర్సంటేజ్. నా Q ఈజ్ ద ఫాదర్ ఆఫ్ M వస్తుంది. M సన్ ఆర్ డాటర్ మనకు తెలియదు. కనుక M జెండర్ మనకు తెలియదు కాబట్టి ఈ 2 చాయిసెస్ స్ట్రైట్ అవే రూల్డ్ అవుట్. నౌ వీ హ్యావ్ లెఫ్ట్ విత్ ద రిమైనింగ్ 2, అవునా కదా? రిమైనింగ్ 2లో $M అంటే ఫీమేల్, M# సిస్టర్, ఈ 2 మనకి ఏదైనా అయ్యే ఛాన్స్. దెన్ లెట్ us come back to this one, choice 2. $M and M is the daughter of N. N is here, M is here, M is the daughter of N. N is the sister of Q. అంతే కదా, N is the sister. Then now Q's sister's daughter is niece. Now niece we are getting from choice 2, question number 7. Then coming to 8. Now in this 8th one, plus means what? Plus means plus stands for multiplication and so on. 25 into, and minus stands for what? Division. And division stands for what? And division stands for subtraction. And into stands for addition. Then in this one, 10 divided by 2, 5 is how much? 2. 25 into 2 is how much? 50. Saripenda? 50 minus 10 plus 3. And 53 minus 10, 43. Are you getting the answer or not? Hence choice 1 itself is your answer. Done? The next one, 9th one. Now 9th one, now sales representative plans to visit and each of the 6 stores and once in a day. He sets his schedule for that day according to the following conditions. He should go to store U before V and Z. He should go to store U before V and Z. And he should go to store V before Y. And he should go to store V before whom? Before Y. And the third store he visits must be X. మా థర్డ్ స్టోర్ ఏంటి మొత్తం ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి? అండ్ ఆల్ టుగెదర్ దేర్ ఆర్ సమ్ 6 stores, 1 2 3 4 5, and out of which now the third store is what? Third store, and he should, and third store is must be X. Now X is the third store here, and the sales representative can visit any of the following stores immediately after X except. Immediately after X except మా ఏది తప్పించి రిమైనింగ్ అన్నీ ఉండొచ్చు అని అన్నాడు. దెన్ నౌ షూర్ మా ఇక్కడ U ఉందనుకోండి, U తర్వాత V ఉండాలి, Z ఉండాలి, V తర్వాత Y ఉండాలి. ఇజంట్ ఇట్? ఫాలో అవుతున్నా లేదా? మా U ఉంది, U తర్వాత V ఉంది, Z ఉంది, అండ్ V తర్వాత Y ఉంది. కనుక V తర్వాత మినిమం U తర్వాత మినిమం 3 ఉండాలి అవుట్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ ఎక్సెప్ట్ X. అది ఇప్పుడు U ఉంది అనుకుని వెనక ఇంకా 2 ప్లేస్లు ఉన్నాయి. ఈజ్ ఇట్ పాసిబుల్? నాట్ పాసిబుల్. హెన్స్ వీ కెనాట్ హ్యావ్ U ఇన్ ద ఫస్ట్ ప్లేస్. ఫాలో అయ్యారా లేదా? అండ్ చాయిస్ 1, క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 9. దెన్ కమింగ్ టు 10th one. Now in this question number 10. Now it is based on mirror image. Now in this mirror image G. Now G which is at the left hand side, if it pakravali or right hand side. G at the right hand side, this is the ruled out, isn't it? Now this is ruled out. Then U and P is different. Amma P ela undali cheppandi. P and it must be like this. అవునా కదా? Hence what is your answer? Choice 4. Then coming to question number 11. Now in this 11th one, select the correct combination of mathematical signs. Mathematical signs plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, equal to and into. Isn't it? Then what is your answer here? Are you getting the first one here? And here 504 into 8. 504 into 8 is so much around 4032 రావాలి. అవునా కదా? Now 4000. Now here in this one 13 there is no multiplication factor here. అంత పెద్ద నెంబర్ మనకు రావాలంటే ఏమో మల్టిప్లికేషన్ ఇక్కడైనా ఉండాలి, ఇక్కడైనా ఉండాలి. Then hence first one is ruled out. Then coming to choice 2. మా choice 2లో కూడా మనకి మల్టిప్లికేషన్ ఎక్కడ వస్తుంది చెప్పండి? Then plus, minus, now this is plus and this is division and this is into. Now into this is equal. అయ్యే ఛాన్స్ ఉందా? No. Then next one, third one. Now in third one minus, into, equal to, then minus, minus, and this is division. Then now 13 into 4 is how much? 52. 77 minus 52 equal to 77 minus 52 is how much? 25. Now this 25 equals to 120 minus 32 minus 504 divided by 8. Am I entravali? And 68. 68 ena? Now 68. Now 68 plus 32 100 and 120 minus 100. What's the answer? Now 72 plus. Now 120 minus 8 plus 2 is 10. 1 plus 6, 7 plus 3, this is now 8. 8 8s and 24 63. And 8. Now 8 8s, 8 7s 56, 8. My 8 6 48. And 48 and what 24? 24 into 63. Isn't it? Now 63 and 32 minus 63, what is the sum we have? 95. 120 minus 95 equals to 25, and it is choice 2, question number 11. Choice 3. Then next one, question number 12. Now there are some 5 laptops are kept one above the other. Number of laptops above E is same as the number of laptops below G. Now E equals to G and number of laptops above E equals to the number of laptops below G. And C is just above W. Now C is just above W, C and W. And G is at the bottom. Now out of which? How many are there? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. G is at the bottom is clear again. If G is at the bottom, E must be at the top. Because number of above E equals to number of below G. And next one, C and W. G is at the bottom. There are 2 labs between N and G. N is, if N is here, C and W must be here. Then which of the following laptops are above to C? E and N, N and E, that is choice 2, question number 12. The next one, 13th one. Now in this 13, it is based on coding and decoding. And what will be the code for outdoor was? Outdoor was, and volleyball playing outdoor, volleyball playing, isn't it? Then now volleyball and playing is the word that is common in all the 3. As playing is common here, what is the word that is common here? AIK. And the code for playing is AIK. Then if you compare the second and the third, volleyball was common. And volleyball, and what is the code? FIK. Then was and outdoor. Was and outdoor came will GIK, NIK in any order, that is choice 1, question number 13. The next one, 14th one. Now in this 14 and 7 and select the set in which the numbers are related in the same way. 7, 91 and 32. 7, 91 and 32. I mean, now 7 and 32. 7 into 4. 28 plus 4, 32. Into 4 plus 4. 32 and 91. 32 into 3. And those 32 into 3. 96. 96 minus how much? Minus 5. Now check out, are we getting the same pattern in the remaining? 11 into 4 plus 4. And they're only 48. 10 into 4 plus 4. Then 44 into 3. 44 into 3. 132. Minus 5, 127. Hence choice 2, following the same pattern as that of the given example, 14th one. Then coming to 15, now 15th one, paper folding. Now in this, a paper has been folded and cut as shown below. How will it appear when it is unfolded? Then now from here to here, it must be bottom. Ma kindaki ravalante emayipovali cheppandi? Then in this one, and this is the triangle. Now these two are at the same places. Now saripenda. Then from here to ekkada nunchi ekkadiki em ayipovali? Mirror image. And mirror image, then tell me what is your answer here? This is a circle. And circle and two circles to this one, hence it is choice 4. Saripenda? Choice 4 is the answer. Then 16th one. Now in this question number 16, 11529 90 1593 and so on. Ma chesara? Then ela ochindama? Now 29. Now 29 into 5. And what is 29? Now 29 11529 ochindi. Chesara? Ma ela ochindi? 29 minus how much? Minus 11. Good. 29 minus 11 and the 18. 18 into 5 is 90. Clear? The given number. Now 11529. Then 11529, 29 minus 11. And the difference 18. Now that is multiplied with the middle one. And similarly here again 43 minus 15. 43 minus 28. Now 28 into 9. 28 into 9, 252, choice 4. Good. Then 16th one. Now seniority ikkada panikochinది. Then 16th one. Then coming to 17. Now this Gayatri ranks 6th from the top and Lavanya ranks 16th from the bottom. Now this Gayatri is 6th from the top. There are 5 persons before Gayatri. And Lavanya ranks 16. There are 15 persons and Lavanya is there. And 12 ranks above and 16 from the bottom. If rank of Kirti is 13 ranks below Gayatri and 12 ranks above Lavanya. Now who is this person here? And Kirti is somewhere here. And if rank of Kirti is 13 ranks below Gayatri, and ఎంతమంది ఉండాలి చెప్పండి? 12 members. And 12 ranks above Lavanya. ఇక్కడ ఎంతమంది ఉండాలి? 11. Then calculate the number of students. ఎంత చెప్పండి? 15 plus 1, 16. And 16 plus 11, 27, 28 plus 12, 40, 41 plus 5, 46. So answer 3, question number 17. The next one, 18th one. Now in this question number 18, it is based on sequence. Now how many elements are there altogether? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Now this 18 can be written as 6 into 3 or 3 into 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Isn't it? Then first letter is same. MP. MPVB. 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 Saripendra. MPVB QA. MPVB QA. And PQMV AMPB. And PQMV MV APB, choice 4. 18th one, it is choice 4. Then coming to this 19, there are some 6 in a family of 6 people. And Rahul is the son of whom? Rahul is the son of Mallesh. Now Mallesh is here. Now this Rahul is the son of Mallesh. Rahul is the son of Mallesh. And Mallesh, who is the son of Sundar? Now this Mallesh is the son of whom? Mallesh is the son of Sundar. And Madhuri is the mother of Sunita. Sunita, who is the only sibling of Mallesh. Now this Sunita is the only sibling of whom? Only sibling of Mallesh. Sunita, who is the only sibling of Mallesh, and her sister-in-law. And her sister-in-law is Radha. And her sister-in-law is Radha means, now this Radha could be the wife of this Mallesh. Onagada, sister-in-law. Then Madhuri is the mother of Sunita. That means Sundar and Madhuri are married to each other. Isn't it? Then, how is Radha related to Rahul? Now Rahul's father's and Rahul's mother. And mother, that is choice 3, question number 19. The next one, 20th, it is based on non-verbal. And select. Now we need to find out the non-verbal series. The next figure in this one. Now the next figure in this, coming to the first one. Then, now just start. Now this start from left hand side, move to right hand side, left, right, again left hand side. Now again left hand side, these two were ruled out, then we are left with either 1 or 4. Now between, only 2 choices were left out, then we need to compare within the choices. My end close one. First, second, now the middle element is different. Onaga the middle element. Now which element is coming to the middle place? This element coming to the middle place. E corner only the middle. E corner only the middle. E corner only the middle down. E corner only the choice 4 is the answer. Clear? No need to work out on each and every element. Then 21. Now in this question number 21, A stands for subtraction and C stands for what? C stands for addition. Now C is for addition, isn't it? Then and next one B stands for multiplication. Now this B is for multiplication. Anywhere you have B. And next one A stands for subtraction. And B stands for what? B stands for multiplication. And A stands for subtraction. A is subtraction. And finally D stands for division. Clear? Then there is only one division we have, 64 divided by 8. 8. Now 8 into 2 is how much? 16. The total value is 16 minus. Now 14 minus 3 is how much? 11. Then next one C stands for what? Addition. Now addition. Now plus. Now here there is one more addition. Now 11 is added to what? 5 plus 4, 9. And this 9 is multiplied with how much? And 14. And 14 into 9. The next one, this is a minus. Minus 29 into 3. What is 29 into 3? 29 into 3, that is 87. And plus 43. This is the total value. Now 14 into 9 is how much? 14 into 9. And 100 and now 126. 126. Now this is a minus 126. Then tell me what is the value we have here. Then 43 plus 87. 43 plus 87, that is 130, 130. 130 minus 126. Now we are left with only plus 4. And plus 4, 22. 22 plus and 4 and 16. And 22 inka number is now 43 plus 87 minus 14 into 9 is 126 plus 11 plus 11. How much is that one? 22. And 22 then minus 16. Then what is the total value you are getting here? 10. 10, that is choice 1. Then next one, 22nd. 22nd chesara? Then 10 years ago, a father's age was 3.5 times that of his son, and 10 years from now his father will be 2.5 times that of the son. What will be the sum of the ages of the father and the son at present? 10 years ago. And 10 years ago, then 10 years ago, father was 3.5 times that of his son. And 20 years from now. Now what is the difference between these two? 20 years. 10 years back and 10 years from now. And the total is how much? 20 years ago the total. Not 20 years. Now 20 years total. Then next sir. Then here it is 2.5 times. It is how much? 3.5 times. And 2 1 by 4 and 3 1 by 2. 3 1 by 2 and 2 1 by 4. Then what is the relation we have? 7 by 2 and this is so much? And 7 by 4. And they get the 7 by 2, 7 by 4. Then 7 by 2, 7 by 4, then we need to go, 9 by 4. 9 by 4. Then we need to go for what? The difference. 9 by 4 minus 7 by 2. What is the difference we have? And those are the 2. And 9 by 4 minus this one. And the LCM is 4 and 14 minus how much? 9. And 5 by 4. Then it has to be multiplied with this one. Now if you multiply this one, then what is your answer here? 110. Then finally is asking for the sum of the ages of these two at present. Then 23rd. Then in this question number 23, Majapan 23rd, we need to find out the figure completion. Now in this figure completion, Majeshara figure completion ikkada? No. Ma ikkadiki la vache time ki. Then, yes, tell me what is the choice we have? And choice 2 is the answer 23. Then 24th one, Jesarama? 24. Now in this 24, anyone please 24? Then 49 minus 14. 49 minus 14 and manaki. Now 49 minus 14. 35. Now 35 into 5. 35 into 5, 175. Plus the first number 14. As of now. Now the same concept, 61 minus 17. 61 minus 17, and 44. And 44 into 5, and the 220. And 220 plus the first number 17. 220 plus 17, that is 230. Are you following the same logic or not? Then in this one, 22 and 317. Now finally 22 must be added to this one or not? Add cheste emayipoyindi cheppandi. If you subtract 22 from this 3117, ఎంత వస్తుంది చెప్పండి? 295. Now this 295 must be divided by what? Divided by 5. Into 5 నే కదా చేస్తున్నాం. Into 5. Then what is the number we have? 81. 81 choice. సరిపోయిందా? Then 81. Now 81 minus 22, what is the difference we have? 81 minus 22 difference ఎంత వస్తుంది మనకి? 59. Now 59 into 5. ఎంత వస్తుంది? 59 into 5 plus 22. Are you getting 317 or not? 307. Then finally 25. Now in this one, the next figure. We need to find out the next figure in this. Now starting with m. And m to start chain. M shifted to the next place, next place, next place. Then now finally m must be at this place. సరిపోయిందా లేదా? M is at this place. This is ruled out. Then coming to the next one. N. N shifted to next place, next place, next place. N must be here. M and N. And K. Now K ఎలా move అవుతుంది చెప్పండి? K again moves in the reverse order. As K is again moving in the reverse order, then 1, 2, 3, 4. And what is the choice we have? And K must be at this place. అమ్మ ఇక్కడ ఉండాలి K. Now K ఇక్కడ వస్తుంది. M and K. M and K. And this is ruled out. Now we have left with these two. Then out of which now we need to find out the triangle. Left hand side, right, left, right, left. Left, that is choice for question number 25. Done? Now this is about paper number 65 Cgl tile.